G'day guys, thanks for checking out our 2017 Ford Ranger XL 3.2. This one's got ARB bull bar, spotlights, and as you can see, Bridgestone dual tyres throughout. 3.2 turbo diesel, and as you can see, it's been really well looked after. Auto 4x4, which is super rare and has got plenty of options. One being the main one that has this Telstra body on the back. So through the Telstra bodies here, you do get all your lights. So you can see there's canopy lights over there and above. You got your hot wash, which is just down underneath here, where you just fill through here, and you got your water down below. So really easy to use. Plenty of storage all the way through, and you also get a plug point through there as well. Easy to shut and open, and all the locks work on the central locking on the car. Storage underneath, you got the storage up above with the locking through the top and the conduit. Going through inside, the condition of the car is in great condition. 4x4, 146 k's, cruise control, and heaps more. You get things like reverse camera, 4-wheel drive switching throughout, and loads more. So we look forward to speaking to you soon.